Friends, today I am with a new smartwatch. This is by Timex and the smartwatch name is Timex Fit 2.0. So let's talk about the device and see what are the features it is offering. So starting with the unboxing first. So the box is from the Timex Smart, it is written, and the model is Timex Fit 2.0. It comes with the full touchscreen display of 1.72-inch calling smartphone. It has a make or call receive feature. It has activity tracking, heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor. It also does the sleep tracking, sports mode, multi-day battery, and call, SMS, social alert notification. The box what we have got is a review sample box, so this is not a retail package unit. There will be not a lot of difference. There will be some paperwork what you will get. Here you can see we have got the magnetic pogo pin charger, and once you start doing it, it will start doing the charging. It is very easy. I will recommend you to first do the full charging of the smartwatch and then start using it. But before using that, you have to install the app, and the app is available both on the iOS app store and also the Google Play Store. If you talk about the band here, it is come with the swappable bands. Here you can see it is very easily can be swapped, and you can change the band whatever you like. So it is very easy and very convenient according to your need and according to the material of the strap whichever you want. And it comes with the heart rate tracking also. It comes with the one physical button, and if you press it for a longer time, it will show you to do the power off or not. So it is kindly a power up button. If you talk about the app name is Timex Fit 2.0 here. It is present also on the Google Play Store with the Apple App Store also. So first you have to add the watch. Here you can see the logo. I'm just adding it. It will take few seconds to do the pairing. Once it is done, the watch will be visible here. Just do it and it will be paired. And after that, it can be seen that the battery percentage is also visible. If we talk about the watch faces, it comes around nearly 200 watch faces what the company is claiming, but I got seen around 50 to 70 watch faces. Maybe the software update, they will update more watch faces in it. If you talk about the notifications, there are alarms. First you have 3 alarm sets, so you can change them, you can put the timer. Even that can be changed through the smartwatch also. Even for the notification access, you have to give the access to the Timex Fit 2.0. It will give you call, SMS, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Skype, and other notifications also. Even you have a camera shutter button. I will show that later on. Going to the settings, here you have the Find My Device, reminder to move, continuous heart rate tracking, even time format for 12 hours or 24 hours, and also the steps goals what you want to have. You can have add your favorite contacts. Even if you lift your wrist, it will lit, so the display will be on. If you check the firmware, currently I am checking the firmware, it is showing that it is up to date, the firmware software is, and there is a warranty and other things also you can do. You can unpair it. The model number is already shown here. It will show in the home page the steps, heart rate, walking, sleep count, the blood pressure, and also the blood oxygen. So these are the few features what have been seen. And if you want to change the watch face, you just have to tap it, wait for few seconds, and it will be done. It is very easy to do that. It will not take much time, and once it is done, it will be shown in the watch. So currently I will show you here. It will show you downloading. It is already in the cloud based system, so it will download from the internet will be required at the time of changing the watch face. So here you can see the watch face is already changed, and it can be changed only with the app on your smartphone. If you talk about the app on the smartphone is very sleek and elegant. It looks pretty much decent. It doesn't have too much complication. Here you can see few modes and settings which you will get while swiping from the top to bottom, including the vibration mode. You can change the brightness. You can even change your vibration, turn on or turn off. Even you can see there is the alarm you can set for your sleeping also. There is also torch which can be changed, and after torch, here is the settings which you can go into the settings, and in the display you get auto sleep, menu style, and brightness. If you talk about each and everything in detail, you can change the auto sleep by the timer. And first you go to the display. Here is the auto sleep. It can go from 5 seconds to 20 second max to auto sleep. Currently I will show you up to 20 seconds the auto sleep will be there. Menu style can be the menu style normal grid mode or the honeycomb mode. So currently it is checked into honeycomb mode. Here you can see the honeycomb, and there is also second mode which is the grid mode, which is named as menu style mode. Here you can see the grid mode is there. So but I like the honeycomb mode, so I will prefer to use that. And once I go to the settings, again I have to go to the display. In the display there is menu style. The brightness can be changed from here. The vibration can be switched on or off. There is a power mode when you have a less battery. You have a night mode. You can do the phone call. You can do the call reset. Even you can have the system menu where you can reset your phone and also do the power off and restart. So here you can see there is a call reset also, and this will also tell you the time, date, and also the battery percentage. So this is a good thing in the settings. If you swipe from the right side, you get the step count, you get the heart rate count. Here you have to be a little bit patient. It will take some time and give you the heart rate reading. The heart rate will be continuously monitored with the smartwatch Timex Fit 2.0. You have to be a little bit patient. Here it will show the reading. So currently the reading is 110 bpm, and if you swipe a little bit down, you can get the complete reading of your entire day. You can also have the sleep count. You can also get the SpO2 monitor. So just wait for few seconds. The SpO2 reading will be here, and it will be more than 94, then it is a good degree. So currently I am getting a 96% of SpO2. Here you can see. If you have the blood pressure, just wait for few seconds, tap on it. Once you do the tapping, it will do a little bit vibration on your smartwatch, and it will start recording and measuring your blood pressure, or maybe your SpO2, or maybe your heart rate. So just wait for few seconds. The blood pressure will be also here, and you can see the readings. So the blood pressure is 126/74. It is not too much. Even you have the camera click shutter. You can see the faces was changed on the smartwatch, but I will show you later that there is sports mode. It comes with the 20 sports mode. It has a music control also. It also gives you breath. Now coming to the battery, it can last up to 7 days, what company is claiming, but I always tell that your brightness and your usage also depend on the battery lasting. If you talk about the camera control, music control, this can be done with your smartwatch, which is definitely a great thing. And if you go to the steps count, you can go and check that. You can have the phone record checking. Even go to the measure heart rate, which I have already done, the sleep count, the SpO2 rate, the measure your BP. Talking about the sports mode, here you can see there is a badminton, basketball, volleyball. Too many of the indoor and outdoor sports are given. You can check it out. 20 sports modes are here. There is a breath option, which I have already shown. It comes with the camera shutter, music player. It comes with the alarm. 3 alarms can be set. There is a countdown. There is stop clock. If you have a menstruation for the woman, this is also useful. There is a calculator. It comes with the full-fledged calculator. There is a flashlight and some other settings. So this is what we are getting. If you swipe from the bottom side, you will see all the notifications what came in your smartphone. So the UI is pretty much simple and very much dynamic in looking. It is a very vibrant display. If you talk about the display is 1.72 inch with the resolution of 360 into 385. If you talk about the camera shutter, I will just show you how it works. You have to go to the camera shutter, you have to tap, and here you can see the camera app is already on in your smartwatch. The app is compatible both in the Android smartphone and also with the iPhone. So there you can do the changes with that. So this is, we are coming to the camera. If we talk about the few more things, it comes with the heart rate monitor. It has a sleep tracking. It comes with the SpO2 monitor. There are activity tracking. It can do the Bluetooth calling very easily. Now I am not showing you that, but it comes with that. Now coming to the price. The price of the device is 5,995, and it will be available on the online and the offline stores. It will be also available on the official website of Timex, so you can purchase it from there. So the watch definitely looks great, and the pricing is little bit can be justified with the features what it is offering. It looks pretty much premium design. It comes with the alloy kind of metal body, and the bands is also premium what I have seen. And overall it also has a mic inside it. It comes with the only one physical button what I have shown. At the back side, if you will see, there is a HUD tracking monitor, there is the speaker, and there is also Timex written at the back side. If you talk about the previous Timex smartwatches what I have used, they are good in quality and definitely durable for a long lasting. So I will definitely recommend you can check out the Timex Fit 2.0. At it ticks all the check boxes for a good smartwatch. So this is all about the Timex Fit 2.0. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.